Second day ng parents meeting. Grabe man kami nga, walay tao. Katulgon nga gutumon man sa tadiri, oy. Walay tao. Nga. Wala po'y kape. Nahudda na og kape. Ay, Diyos ko. Walang kape. Walang makain. Ano ba? Till 1 o'clock lang ang meeting karon niya sa dihang. Ang tagal man ng oras. 9 pa lang. So nga. Ara, oh. Wagay kape nga naka-display. Nga man taani. Wala. Mingaw kayo. Mingaw panagat.
Dati naayos yung...
Whatever.
Yes, sir?
Here, one more, I think, the other paper.
The other one, paper?
He's 10 and 9, there's 10.
Yeah, cause there is one.
This one, sir, is report card only.
Yeah, mayroon ditong walang.
Mayroon pang isa
There is one student, one subject here.
There is no list here, sir. That's why I didn't put.
Yeah.
Ano yun? Sino yun? Si...
Mohammed, and then, ilagay mo dito.
Sino ba yun?
Sino ba yan? Ano sinabi mo wala? Muhammad Zamiri?
To
Muhammad. Eh, wala naman dito si Muhammad Zamiri.
Tanong natin si Miss Annabel.
Saan?
Kung saan to si Muhammad
Eh, kasi Muhammad Zamiri.
Sino ba ang wala kanina?
Mahmud Musa. Oh, si Mahmud Musa ang wala.
Ano yun?
Social studies.
Thank you.
Bakit? Hindi ako gumawa sa iyo. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Yes, madam. Section 9. Reception, madam? Yeah. 50 plus. There's a schedule, madam.
Ano daw?
Room 96.
After you go up, turn right.
Mahmoud
There's also a stairs here.
Moza. Social Studies, room 96. It's upstairs, sir.
Thank you so much.
Room 96.
Thank you. And this geometry?
Yeah, it's all.
Geometry, this. Because he has, but still not...
Wala naman siya geometry.
there is no. But he has. I don't know.
But in the
report card, the report doesn't have.
Yes, but they didn't have exam. But he has the subject, but he don't have
The exam.
the exam.
that's why there's
Check.
But if you can see which one is
geometry. Which geometry, sir? There is 3 groups.
I don't know.
Hindi pa naman malalaman.
The name of the issue.
Hindi rin niya alam.
I think they cannot.
They cannot.
Let's call your...
Call your son, sir.
Thank you so much.
Which this one? Welcome, sir. So, ayun. May ibang parents hindi alam ang mga teacher. Kaya dapat i-assist.
10, 11, what is Abdullah?
Ang liit niya, no?
Yes. Yes.
Slip.
You know the teachers of your son? You have the report
Call.
card? Can I have it, madam? Because it's easy for you. You make notes.
Kumain lang.
Ay, bawal matuyo. Bawal.
Yes, sir.
Bawal mag-upo?
Bawal mag-upo. Report card?
Mga tamad, mga tawad.
Because, like for example, we have KD. So, what of the... Punta naman na kay Grace. You don't have report card.
Tanungin mo na report card.
Like,
No report card? What's the name of the student, sir?
Say Isa.
Say Ay, pizza. Okay, just wait. Okay, ganito ang trabaho namin. Mag-assist sa mga parents nga wala kabaloon sa ilahang mga section silang anak. Wala report card, wala access sa email. So let's go to the IT para i-print ang ilahang report card para makita ko silang mga guro. Ganon kanganga. Okay. Sino man ang sinasabihan niyang buang?
Nag-trip lang na siya.
Ayan,
Dahil
yan
maboard na siya.
Ayan
Ayan
man yung
Kinsa?
asaway.
Gusto nga daw siya mabalik pagkabata.
Oh, eh, balik siya.
Makan sa tatlong niya kung sino kami masala.
Sino?
Yan sa tatlong niya. Makan sa tatlong niya kung sino kami masala. May masala dyan.
Magawa ka na ng biryani karon.
11G4.
Magawa ka na ng
You have the report card with you?
They send in the email, your
Can
email,
you check your email?
school email.
Grade 5. Grade 9. Yes, madam, because this is the list of all the teachers. So it's easy for you if you know the teachers, so that you will not search all of them. In the report card, madam, there is the list of the teachers.
School email, madam.
Check na kung maybe they send
I just asked the report card.
Sabi pa niya ng nanay niya sa dati sa grade 4. She's awake. You can call her and ask her. Sa anak ko, bibigyan at sabihin ka lang tayo. You're not in the house. You're in the school. Not all the time what you ask. You believe it.
Uy, iyan mo na to.
It depends on the teacher. She decides.
There's a...
You still have to respect the decision of the teacher. Kahit sumisayan, sinabihan.
Bakit ibinibigay lang niya yung libro na?
Binibigay siya.
Kasi bibigyan lang kasi ng stage class.
Ang laki. P6, Amira. Blay.
Liza, malinaw man ang mata mo.
Amira. P6, wait, ano nakalagay dito sa iman? P6 is Amira.
History.
Anong room si Amira? Pakicheck please.
Amira.
Yes.
History. Nagham.
History.
Nagham.
Ha?
Nagham nakalagay.
Ah, naghabi. Sorry, madam. Then.
Arab, PE, aswak nakalagay dito. So, hindi ko
Wala na
alam.
naman yan si Aswak na
Eh,
yan.
girls to eh. Aswak man nakalagay dito. Di ba si Omar lang?
Sa
Try mo
Diba?
sa ora.
PE?
Okay. Siya dito.
Ah.
Arabic tamer.
Ang Islamic si Sajida.
Yeah, siya dito.
Arabic,
Tamer.
Tamer, and then
Moral, Muhammad Ali.
Amira Saleh, Science.
Oh, P6. Ano?
Okay.
Room.
Innovation Hub, Room 73.
Tapos, Upstairs,
Algebra,
madam.
Shaima.
Some
Algebra
here and
2,
some upstairs.
Algebra 2, Shaima.
Shaima?
Shaima sa sala. English 1, Rana.
English, Rana? Tapos,
IT, Yara.
IT, Yara, and then,
Computer Programming, Tahani. Hanapin mo lang si Tahani dyan.
okay.
Okay, that's it. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one with the red pen, madam, it's inside the gym. Then the rest of them are upstairs.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, kanan mag-assist.
Di ba ang bilis nila pagkaganyan?
So, dapat may report card na yung parents. Pagkabalo sila sa ilang mga parents. Mga parents kabalo sila, mga teacher,
Nila,
subject,
Hindi man nila tinitignan.
o on-site grade.
Kahit meron. Sabihin nila
Second
wala.
day, half day lang yun. Taman 1 o'clock. Yehey.
Ayan.
Oh, yehey.
Oras. Huwag mo kasi tignan ang oras. Tignan mo yung mga buka.
Kapon kasi busy tayo.
Are,
Dagsa sila.
tinanong ko na.
Ngayon,
Sabi ko, meron na ako.
naghahanap kung anong
Wala sa sarili.